Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very beautiful, stylish, outstanding, different Christmas jute handmade and Christmas ornaments designs, Christmas hand decoration ideas. So one by one latest gorgeous stylish ideas you can watch this video. It's a very beautiful, amazing, outstanding, latest and big designer crafts ideas. As the Christmas season arrives, homes begin to glow with warmth, joy, and festive spirit, and ornaments become the heart of every decoration. Today, we are exploring beautiful, creative Christmas ornament designs that can truly transform your space. Imagine a Christmas tree not just decorated with lights but filled with meaningful handmade ornament where each piece tells its own story. These designs are more than decoration. They hold memories. One of the easiest and most creative idea and outstanding, very beautiful, different crafts. One of the easiest and most creative ideas is DIY paper ornaments. With simple colored paper, you can create stars, snowflakes, and festive shapes that look stunning. If you love elegant and amazing creative ideas, gold and silver ornaments are the perfect choice. They give your Christmas trees luxurious and timeless feel. Wooden ornaments are trending, especially when personalized with names or messages, making them extra special. For kids, clay ornaments are a fun and creative activity where they can shape their imagination into beautiful designs. If you are on a budget, try reusing old light bulbs and turning them into painted ornaments. It's simple, creative, and eco-friendly. Fabric ornaments bring a soft and cozy vibe, make your decorations feel warm and welcoming. Mini photo frame ornaments add an emotional touch, allowing you to showcase cherished memories on your tree. Glitter ornaments are always eye-catching, reflecting light beautifully and creating a magical sparkle. Natural inspired ornaments using pine cones and dried leaves are perfect for an eco-friendly and rustic look. Minimalist white ornament create a clean and elegant aesthetic that never goes out of style. LED lights ornaments can turn your tree into a dreamy glowing masterpiece during the light. Candy themed ornament bring a playful and sweet vibe loved by both kids and adults. Transparent ornaments filled with fake snow or glitter create a charming snow globe effect, and personalized name ornaments are perfect for gifts that make people feel truly special. So, crochet ornaments add a handmade, beautiful, traditional feel that stands out beautifully. So, my dear friends, it's amazing. Different ornaments like bold, red, and green ornament represent the classic Christmas theme and never fail to impress. Mirrored ornaments reflect light and make your decoration appear brighter and more vibrant. And cartoon themed ornaments add fun and excitement, especially for children. Rustic style ornaments with wooden texture and natural tones create a calm and aesthetic look, and snow white ornaments are a must-have, symbolize the beauty of winter. Handmade painted ornaments showcase your creativity and make each piece unique. Glass ornaments bring a delicate and luxurious touch to your Christmas tree, and beaded ornaments require patience but result in incredibility. Beautiful designs. Recycled ornaments are not only eco-friendly but also creative and unique style. So, dear friends, mini gifts box ornaments add a cute and festive charm to your tree. It's a very amazing, like pastel colors ornaments are perfect for a modern and aesthetic decoration style. Arranging your ornaments according to a theme can give your tree a professional and well-designed look. In the end, Christmas decoration is not just about beauty, it's about spreading joy, love, and togetherness. and ornaments are the most beautiful part of that celebration. It's an amazing, outstanding, different, and very creative Christmas ornaments and Christmas decoration craft ideas. And keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very amazing, very creative, highly demanding home decoration ideas like this. This one's a very special and very creative and amazing decoration. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. It's a very creative and unique Christmas decoration ideas. Most beautiful, latest and demanding articles. Beautiful, gorgeous jute Christmas decoration collection. Hope you like all ideas in collection. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very beautiful, amazing, very unique, highly demanding and very creative Christmas designs, Christmas decoration ideas. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Like this. It's a very beautiful and very creative decoration craft idea. Most beautiful, latest and demanding article. Very beautiful handmade with crochet Christmas designs. Like this. This one's a very beautiful and very beautiful idea. All ideas is very creative. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Like this. This one's a very amazing and very outstanding designs. It's a very amazing and very creative collection. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. Do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Jute rope baskets are very useful craft. You can make a small basket for chocolates or gifts. These baskets look beautiful and can also be reused later. Burlap Santa decorations are very fun and creative. You can make Santa faces using burlap cloth and cotton. These decorations look cute and bring Christmas joy. Jute ropes and snowflakes are also a wonderful craft idea, and you can design snowflake shapes using rope and glue. These snowflakes look beautiful when hung near windows. Burlap Christmas banners are very attractive and decorations. You can cut burlap into triangle shapes and write Christmas messages. These banners make home look festive and careful. Jute coasters are simple but useful Christmas crafts, and you can make around rope coasters for cups. These coasters protect tables and also look decorative, and burlap advent calendars are very special Christmas crafts. You can make small burlap pockets and place trees inside. This creates excitement for Christmas days. Handmade crafts teach patience and creativity, and when you make these crafts, you learn new skills. You also feel because happy and because you create something beautiful with your hands. Handmade Christmas decoration also show love and care, and when you give your handmade gifts, people feel special. They understand that you spend time and effort for them. Using jute rope and burlap also teaches to respect nature, and this natural material reduce waste and protect the environment. And this is a very good habit for everyone. Crafting also helps reduce stress. When you work on crafts, your mind feels calm and peaceful. It is a very relaxing and enjoyable activity. You can make these crafts with family and friends. Crafting together increases love and bonding. It also creates beautiful Christmas memories. Always work carefully while making craft. Use glue and scissors safely. Keep your working area clean and organized. Safety is very important during crafting. Try to use creativity and imagination, and you can mix colors, decoration, and designs. Every handmade craft becomes unique and special. Don't worry if your craft is not perfect. Handmade crafts are beautiful because they show effort and love. Practice will always improve your skills. You can also start a small business with handmade jute and burlap crafts. Many people love buying handmade decorations. This can help you earn money and show your talent. It's a very beautiful, amazing, most demanding different articles and different amazing handmade designs, because Christmas is not only about decoration, it is about love, kindness, and sharing happiness. Jute rope and burlap craft help us celebrate Christmas in a natural and beautiful way. Keep creating, keep spreading happiness, and enjoy the magic of handmade Christmas decoration. Happy holiday and happy crafting to everyone. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for supporting my channel. Take care and assalamu alaikum.